Josephine, what about the file that I asked you to get for me? Where is it? We have not gotten it till now. What is wrong? And what about Mr. Joseph that's supposed to represent me in Nikon Group of Company? Huh? And since last week, he has not even come back and give me feedback. What is wrong with him? Does he want me to lose that contract? Can you call him for me? And before I forget, please make sure you tell Musa to fill the car with the 10,000 I sent to him. Because my the tank is empty. All right? Please.
CPI. You don't start to talk to yourself again.
Waiting now. Waiting be your problem now. Guy. I never tell you anytime you see me they talk to myself, just walk out pass. No, waiting be your problem. I tell you say anytime you see me.
I'm just being concerned.
See, behave yourself. Oh. Anytime I don't tell you before. If you see me they talk to myself, mind your business, walk out pass. Because I be self-employed. I'm talking to my staffs now.
Carry on. Carry on, bro. Carry on.
Just dey go abeg.
Carry on.
Before we were interrupted, make sure you tell Musa to fill the car with 10,000 naira. Okay? Thank you.